Hi, I'm Dave Balkin of Balkin Sewer and Water Main Service. Can I give you a quick tutorial on a plumbing wrench that apparently a lot of people are not familiar with, but it comes in super handy. It's called a notch wrench. And the purpose of this is many fittings are hard to grab with a typical pipe wrench, which also has serrated teeth, which can mark up and scar up your project unnecessarily. It also is prone to slip at times. So what this notch wrench does on fittings such as this elbow, the notch will grab right into it. It will not leave a mark at all. It will not scar the fitting, and it also will not slip. So for instance, I have this piece of pipe viced up. If I'm not putting compound on, I'm not going to tighten this all the way. But if I wanted to tighten this up, let's get it at least hand tight, say, a little bit. This notch will catch on the elbow, if you can see that. And you can easily, tighten this up. It will not slip, it will not scar the elbow, you will not end up with a sloppy looking project as opposed to if you use a wrench with teeth. So that's where a notch wrench really makes you kind of make a prettier project for your clients, or if it's your own house. And it also, because it doesn't slip could be an injury, it's also safer to work with. I hope that helps you out there.